I am almost in shock at the transformation of 204 Forest in just about 3 months by some enterprising developers or investors or flippers. New wall, retaining wall, new railings, patched up driveway. The garage was already good looking. Looks like they whitewashed it. And there was a little room down here that was storage and is now an office thanks to some paint. And thanks to some paint. That's pretty much all. It just shows vision planning. So heading into the main part of the house, which had not been touched since the 50s. Most remarkably, this bathroom was vintage 50s. Now it's vintage 2022. New doors, super cozy, new windows, new heating registers, which are so easy to plop in. New fencing. The walls are white. As you could see in my other video before, they were darker and had some of the original wallpaper. New concrete here, some old painted. They did a great job. Even though it is modern now, it is still classic. Closet, let's see. Yeah, there was a small bathroom here. They've enlarged it and made it into a spa-like, luxurious bathroom. Still, they replaced the windows without, I believe, enlarging them. Those might be new. Lots of light in here.